Hi everyone, today I thought I'd talk about why I think the stock market will finish 2018 strong. At the moment, since about January, the stock market's kind of levelled out. Probably, well, the Nasdaq is nearly level at where it started the year, and the Dow is behind where it started the year. So it's a little bit negative at the moment. Still, this year the Dow and the Nasdaq's quite close to being neutral. So I'm going to give you a few reasons why I think the stock market will finish the 2018 strong, and talk about what I think is going to happen now. As always, the stock market is never guaranteed to go up or down. You don't really know what's going to happen. But if somebody said, if you have to choose what's going to happen in the stock market, this is what I kind of think would happen. But like I say, it's not guaranteed to happen, but this is what I think. I'll go back to what I said at the start of the year. This is what I said in January. In January at the start of the year, I said the stock market will have a green year. I said that it will not be as strong as last year. And I reckon that we would see the Nasdaq around 20%. Now I still think that will happen. I think the Nasdaq will be around 20%, or maybe even 15%, maybe slightly lower than what I estimated at the start of the year. But I still see 2018 being a positive year, and I think that we'll see the stock markets go up quite a bit now. Not lows, but still a good year, which I think we'd all still take after what happened last year, because I think we all cashed in last year with what happened. And I think if we look over the year, the two biggest problems that we've had, there's been a lot of problems, but certainly North Korea played a big impact on what went on. That certainly rocked the markets quite a bit, and as well as that, I think Donald Trump and China and the trade wars are the two biggest things. I think we've got a few other issues on the outside about the 3% yield and everything, but like I say, the 3% yield, I've talked about this before, it's not a big deal. That'll go up to 3.25. 3.5. I mean, what's everyone going to do when it gets there? Panic even more. It's just going to go on and people still invest. It won't make too much of a difference for that, apart from the couple of negative days. I think the North Korea kind of looks like it's kind of calming down, and I don't see that much being popping up in the news as much. And when it does, I don't see it being that negative compared to when we were talking about there could be a nuclear strike every day. I do see that calming down a lot, and I see that news article dying out pretty much for the media. So I see no red days from that, and as well as that, I kind of see earnings still being strong, which I don't see stocks have gone up enough from the earnings report. That's the reason why I think the stocks are going to go up. And the second reason about the negative side is the China trade. I think that is going to be the biggest problem for the rest of the year, talking about China and the trade side of it. I do see that being the cause of many of the red days for the rest of the year, but I think that'll just kind of come when media outlets talk about it, and when they want to kind of put a red day on the market, it will happen, and when they stop reporting about it, the green days will come back. And I see more green days than red days. Obviously, you know, a story will come out of somewhere that we don't really think about at the moment, that will kind of take an effect on the market. I'm sure we'll have one of them, and we'll see a couple of dips in the market where will be good opportunities to buy. But overall, I think the market will grow from here. 15-20% is where I see the Nasdaq at positive this year, and I think it'll be a good remainder of the year for the market. So I'm kind of looking forward to it. But that's my opinion on it. If you've got a different opinion, let me know in the comment section. Give the video a like, and I'll see you on the next video.